Joe Beermaster. I have a Mazda key. If your key fob looks like this, they have different styles, but this key fob fits many models, multiple years. I'm going to show you how to get into your car if the battery's dead, and also how to change the battery on the key fob. So hidden in here is a key for the car. So if you see this little button here, it's a little slide. You want to press that and pull this end up at the same time. Let's see here. Actually pulling it down. Sliding that down, pulling the key out. And that's how you get the key out. If the fob's dead, you can open the car door with the key. And the battery's in here. If you can see this is a two-piece. There's a seam there. Look in there, and you want to use a screwdriver to separate these two. So what I do, that little hole in there, let's see if we can get a good view of this. Okay, there's a little hole right here. I'm going to stick the screwdriver in it and put a little pressure upward. And hold on to the top, and it's separated. Very easily separated. Be careful none of the innards of the computer board come out. There is your battery. You see down here on the bottom part there's a little spring. So you want to kind of like push that down. And it's good to use a little pick tool or something. I got this little screwdriver here. And that came out real easy. Simple. There you go. And if you look on the bottom's positive, it says CR2025. That's the battery. So when you get the new, that's the positive side. So when you get the new battery, you want to push this in. Hear a click. Negative side up. Set the top piece over the bottom so nothing falls out. Click it right back. Boom, boom. It's clicked. Now we're going to use the valet key. Put the valet key back. And I'm doing it backward there. Click that in. And that's it. Everything should work. That was pretty simple. Joe Beermaster. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Here's the thumb. And please subscribe. I appreciate it. Take care.